Hey, how's it going? Guess what I got? It's a travel hard case for my DJI Mini 3 Pro. Woo! Hey, this is Badtuna Bob, t-shirt guy and drone head. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and as always, I do Bob things. Anyway, I got this hard case from RLSOCO. And this case is designed specifically again for the Mini 3 Pro and including accessories. They say it's made of high density material. It feels pretty sturdy, so it will give you that max protection as far as traveling case. So let's open her up and see how this case is laid out. All right, let's open up the case and see what we got. Again, this is from a company called RLSOCO. So let's see what we got. Okay, so we have a divider in between the cover and the bottom half, and inside we have a user guide. Tells you basically how it's laid out. So I'll just put that off to the side. And so this is the top layer, if you will. So open it up. I guess obviously you put the batteries on each side here. So let me put my drone in there, and again I have it all folded. One thing about this case, you can have the arms unfolded to save time, I guess, if you go on travel and then you want to take your drone out rather quickly and set it up and fly it. Yeah, but right now I have it folded, so just to show you, it does fit well. Okay, and the batteries fits on the side like so. Perfect fit, perfect fit. Okay, looks good. So just out of curiosity, let's open up the arms. See how well it fits together or fits in the slot. Well, yep, it looks good. And then you fasten it to secure the drone. Okay, so that's the top part. So you have the bottom section. You have the compartment for the remote controller. I think it does take the regular controller as well as the smart controller. I have the smart controller. Here it is. And one thing I like about it is that you don't have to take off the sticks, the control sticks. So you can just install it like so, and they won't, the top, according to the manufacturer, the top portion will not interfere. So you just put that in there like that and then secure it with the Velcro belt. Yeah, it's well. This is the strap for the case. I'll put that on. And then you have room for the charging hub. And I do have, this is for the drone. It's like a propeller holder, and I only would use this if I had it in my backpack, you know. So, but but there's a compartment here that I could put that in there, so that's good. So let's see, it's secure. So anything else? No. And then let's go look at the divider here. The divider, you can put in your props, like your extra props. Let's slip it in there. I would do that. I also bought as an accessory the portable landing gear, portable landing gear. I put that in there like so. And I have some extra cables. I can just put that along there, or I can put it in here. And then, and this is just a tool, screwdriver and such. So that fits there too as well. So that's pretty good. And in here is you can put a tablet or any other stuff that you might want to carry along with your Mini 3 Pro. And then I do have the ND filters. All right, so I've got all my accessories in the bag. So I'll just put the top portion back in, complete, and there you go. All right. Okay, so that's it. And if you're interested in getting this case, I'll provide the link below. Also, if you do like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Mahalo.